Welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can add a page in the middle of the Word document like this one. So to add a page in the middle of a Word document, you need to place your cursor where you want the new page to begin, and you need to use the following method. And then go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon and click on the Pages and click on the blank page. In the paragraph group, Word immediately inserts an empty page between your content. Here you can see that. There is another way you want to place your cursor where you want the new page to begin. For example, here, and then you need to press Ctrl plus Enter all together. This forces existing text onto a new page, giving you empty space to type. So I hope you understand how you can add a page in the middle of the Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.